How to see devices that connected to your LinkedIn account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see devices that are connected to your LinkedIn account easy and fast in less than 1 minute. All what you have to do is log into your account on LinkedIn, and then this is the home page as you can see. Now go here to the top and click on your profile picture right here, and now go down on click on settings and privacy. And here you go. Now go to sign in and security right here, click on this option, and now click on devices that remember your password, or you can click here. Those two options that can show you if there is someone connected to your LinkedIn. This one is it's show me that one active session is now connected and it's mine. Click on it and it will show you the devices that connected to your account. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.